Hello. Welcome back to Cookie Decor, where creativity meets sustainability, and everyday materials are transformed into something truly special. If you love the idea of turning overlooked items into beautiful home decor, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and join our growing community of makers, decorators, and upcycling enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue sharing inspiring, budget-friendly ideas that prove great design doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Today's project is all about from trash to treasure, DIY high-end rustic home decor and furniture on a budget. This is more than just a decor tutorial, it's a mindset shift. It's about seeing potential where others see waste, discovering beauty in imperfection, and creating a home that feels warm, authentic, and personal without overspending. Rustic decor has a unique charm because it celebrates texture, history, and craftsmanship. When paired with thoughtful DIY techniques, it can easily rival expensive, store-bought pieces while carrying a deeper story. The journey begins with materials most people ignore or throw away. Old wood pieces, worn furniture parts, discarded metal accents, unused containers, or weathered household items often end up forgotten, yet they carry character that new materials simply can't replicate. Scratches, grain patterns, rust marks, and faded finishes all contribute to that sought-after rustic aesthetic. Instead of hiding flaws, this style embraces them, turning signs of age into design features. One of the most powerful aspects of DIY rustic decor is accessibility. You don't need professional tools or a large workshop to get started. Many transformations rely on basic hand tools, simple finishes, and creative assembly. Sanding rough edges, cleaning surfaces, and reinforcing structure are often enough to prepare materials for their second life. This process not only saves money, but also builds confidence, showing that beautiful results come from patience and imagination rather than expensive equipment. Color and texture play a major role in achieving a high-end look on a budget. Neutral tones such as warm browns, soft grays, muted whites, and natural wood shades help create a cohesive and timeless feel. When working with reclaimed materials, layering finishes like light staining, dry brushing, or gentle distressing adds depth and richness. These techniques create visual interest while keeping the piece grounded in a rustic, handcrafted identity. Functionality is another key element that elevates DIY decor from simple crafts to meaningful home design. A piece becomes truly valuable when it serves a purpose while enhancing the space. Wall decor that also provides storage, accent tables with hidden compartments, or decorative organizers made from scrap materials combine beauty and practicality. Thoughtful design ensures that every project contributes to daily living, not just visual appeal. Lighting also plays a subtle but important role in rustic decor projects. When reclaimed materials interact with warm light, their textures and tones become more pronounced. Whether it's a handmade lamp base, a candle holder, or a wall feature designed to catch natural light, these details bring warmth and depth into a room. Even the simplest DIY piece can feel luxurious when it's styled intentionally within the space. Budget creativity thrives when you focus on versatility. Many rustic decor pieces can be adapted for different rooms and uses. A wooden crate might become a shelf, a side table, or a storage unit depending on how it's finished and styled. This flexibility allows you to decorate multiple areas of your home using the same foundational ideas, stretching both your materials and your budget further. Another essential aspect of high-end rustic design is balance. Mixing raw, rugged elements with softer details creates a refined look. Rough wood pairs beautifully with smooth surfaces, metal accents complement natural fibers, and simple shapes help prevent the design from feeling cluttered. This balance keeps the decor grounded while still feeling intentional and polished. Sustainability is woven into every step of this process. By reusing materials, you reduce waste and give new purpose to items that would otherwise be discarded. This approach aligns beautifully with modern values of mindful living and responsible design. Each finished piece becomes a statement not just of style, but of care for the environment and appreciation for craftsmanship. As you work on DIY projects, it's important to allow room for experimentation. Not every idea needs to be perfect on the first try. Mistakes often lead to unexpected design choices that enhance the final result. Rustic decor, by nature, welcomes individuality. No two pieces need to look the same, and that uniqueness is what makes handmade decor so special. Styling your finished pieces is the final step in the transformation. Placement, surrounding decor, and spacing can dramatically influence how a project is perceived. Grouping items thoughtfully, leaving room for negative space, and pairing rustic elements with simple backdrops helps highlight the craftsmanship. Even a small DIY piece can become a focal point when styled with intention. What makes Trash to Treasure projects truly rewarding is the emotional connection they create. Every item carries a story from where the materials came from to how they were transformed. These stories turn houses into homes, filling spaces with warmth, meaning, and personality. Guests don't just see decor, they feel the care and creativity behind it. At Kooky Decor, the goal is to inspire you to see your surroundings differently. That broken item, that leftover wood, that forgotten object, it all holds potential. With creativity, patience, and a bit of vision, you can craft decor that looks high-end, feels personal, and stays within budget. This approach empowers you to design your space on your own terms, without relying on trends or expensive purchases. As we come to the end of this journey from trash to treasure, remember that great design starts with imagination. Rustic decor isn't about perfection, it's about authenticity, warmth, and thoughtful reuse. Every project you create adds character to your home and confidence to your creative skills. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration in these DIY high-end rustic decor ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kooky Decor. Your support helps us continue creating content that blends creativity, sustainability, and budget-friendly design. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new transformation, and join us again as we keep proving that the most beautiful spaces are built from vision, not expense.